I'm Dr. Rima from Guru Nanda team. Today, I'm going to talk about braces versus Invisalign. Orthodontic treatment is not just about straightening teeth. It's all about improving bite function, long-term stability, and oral health. Two of the most popular options today are traditional braces and Invisalign clear aligners. While both can align teeth, they work differently and suit different patients' needs. How do they work? Braces use metal ceramic brackets bonded to each tooth. An arch wire connects the bracket, apply continuous pressure to shift the tooth, move into place. Invisalign, a series of transparent thermoplastic aligner custom made using 3D digital scan, and they move the teeth in small increments. Appearance, braces are highly visible in metal frame. Ceramic braces blend better, but they are still noticeable. Invisalign, they are nearly invisible and they are ideal for those who are conscious about appearance. Treatment duration for braces, it would be around 18 to 24 months and more predictable for severe misalignment. For Invisalign, it would be around 12 to 18 months and it depends mainly on patient discipline for how long he is wearing Invisalign. Effectiveness and case suitability. Braces are suitable for all levels of crowding, spacing, and bite corrections like overbite, underbite, crossbite. But Invisalign, they are excellent for mild to moderate level of crowding, spacing, and certain bite corrections. Comfort and appearance. Braces irritate cheeks and lips, require orthodontic wax to reduce discomfort. Mild adjustment may cause soreness for a few days. However, aligner should be cleaned regularly to prevent staining and smell, eating and dietary impact. In braces, avoid chewy foods, hard foods, and sticky foods to prevent damage to brackets and wires. In Invisalign, no food restriction, but it should be removed during eating and drinking anything except water. Maintenance and oral hygiene. Braces require meticulous brushing and flossing, and there would be risk of plaque, tartar buildup, and white spot lesions if hygiene is poor. In Invisalign, it should be removed during brushing and flossing, so making the hygiene simple and good. Dental visit. In braces, check up after every 4 to 6 weeks. In Invisalign, check up after every 6 to 8 weeks. Cost. Braces, more budget friendly, but cost varies according to the material used, that is, whether it would be ceramic or metal. But in Invisalign, it would be higher cost due to lab charges, custom aligner fabrication, and digital scanning. As a dentist, I advise if you have severe jaw or tooth misalignment, braces are the best. If you want comfort, choice, or appearance, Invisalign may be your choice. But if you are not disciplined about wearing the aligners, then braces would be best. Both braces and Invisalign can transform your smile and oral health. The choice depends on your case complexity, lifestyle, and commitment levels. Always undergo a full orthodontic evaluation, including X-rays and digital scan, to determine the most predictable and effective treatment of your needs. At Guru Nanda, I aim to educate you and ensure you be the guru of your own wellness. Thank you.